The $300 hustle branded surveys, no cap. Imagine turning your spare time into cash just by sharing your thoughts. Yo fam, tired of that 9 to 5 grind? Feeling like you're stuck in a never-ending loop of stress and exhaustion? Boss on your last nerve? Every day feels like a battle, right? Wallet looking thinner than a hipster's beard? We feel you. It's tough out there, and sometimes it feels like your hard work isn't paying off. Everybody wants that extra cash flow, but nobody wants to sell their grandma's dentures on eBay. Let's be real, finding a legit side hustle can be tricky. Well, hold up, because we're about to drop some knowledge on a side hustle that's smoother than Barry White on a date night. Branded surveys. It's easy, it's legit, and it's something you can do from the comfort of your home. Yeah, you heard right. Surveys. Simple questions about products, services, and your everyday experiences. But chill. It ain't as boring as watching paint dry. In fact, it can be pretty interesting and even fun. We're talking about getting paid for your opinion. Straight up, no cap. So why not give it a shot? Turn your downtime into dollar signs with branded surveys. So, what's the deal with branded surveys? You might be wondering if it's just another scam or a waste of time. It's like this: big companies, they need to know what's up. They want to understand their customers better, and that's where you come in. What you like, what you don't like, what makes you want to throw your phone at the wall. They need real opinions from real people. That's where you come in, my friend. Your opinions matter, and companies are willing to pay for them. You sign up, you take surveys, you get paid. Simple as that. It's a straightforward way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Look, we get it. You're thinking, surveys? That's how broke college students make rent. But it's not just for students. But listen up, this ain't your mama's coupon clipping. It's a modern way to earn money, and it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Branded surveys is legit, and they pay cold, hard cash. You can earn money directly to your PayPal account or choose from a variety of gift cards. We're talking PayPal gift cards, the whole 9 yards. So if you're looking for a simple and effective way to make some extra money, give branded surveys a try. You might be surprised at how quickly it adds up. Now hold your horses, eager beaver. Before you start swimming in that sweet, sweet survey cash, you gotta get yourself signed up. But don't worry, it's easier than what you can imagine. First things first, head over to the Branded Surveys website. You'll see a sign-up button. Don't tell me you missed it. It's bigger than your ego after that winning touchdown. Click that bad boy, fill out your info, keep it real, yo, and boom, you're in the game. Section 4, level up your earnings hacks from a survey sensei. Okay, rookie, you're in the door, but now it's time to level up your game. You've taken the first step, but there's a whole world of opportunities waiting for you. You didn't come here to make chump change, did you? No, you came here to make some serious cash, and I'm here to show you how. Follow these pro tips and you'll be swimming in survey cash like Scrooge McDuck. Imagine diving into a pool of money, feeling the weight of your earnings. First off, consistency is key. Just like any other job, you need to show up every day. Make it a habit to check for new surveys every day. Set reminders, use apps, whatever it takes to stay on top of it. The more surveys you take, the more money you make. Simple math, my friend. Second, be honest. Your integrity is your currency. Don't try to game the system by giving fake answers. It might seem tempting, but it's a trap. They're smarter than you think. These companies have algorithms and checks in place to catch inconsistencies. So, keep it real, and you'll keep earning. Remember, patience and persistence pay off. Stick with it, and you'll see your earnings grow. So get out there, follow these hacks, and watch your survey earnings soar. Happy surveying. Section 5. Real talk, show me the money. All right, I hear you. Enough with the theory, let's talk about the Benjamins. How much can you really make with this branded surveys thing? Now, we ain't gonna lie, you won't be quitting your day job tomorrow. But with a little hustle and these insider tips, you can definitely make a decent side income. We're talking an extra $100, $200, even $300 a day if you're really grinding. Imagine that new pair of sneakers you've been eyeing, paid for with survey money. Section 6. Time to stack that cash, King. So there you have it, folks. The lowdown on how to make some serious side hustle cash with branded surveys. No more excuses about being broke. Your financial glow up starts now. Sign up, take surveys, stack that cash. It's that simple. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be chilling on a beach somewhere, sipping on a tropical drink, all thanks to the power of surveys. All right, I'm out. Peace.